Boys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorials. Today I'll be telling you a lot of opportunities that are roaming about on Binance and other exchange. Okay, you can see this coin we're watching at here is called TRB. This whole Terra coin trading against USDT has done very well and has pumped massively well in the past 24 hours. Okay, you can see the 24 hours volume USDT here is up to 1.27 billion. Imagine this has gone very far. But the most surprising thing is that it go down very sharp. Okay, so this is exact time again to book the market, for the market is going back to more than even 700 USDT. You can see the 24 hours high it has gone 629 here. You can see here. You can see the 24 hours high it has gone is 269. And where does it really moved from? Wow. Where does it really move from? You can see from 218. Let's see the 4 hours. It moved from it started move from 120. Imagine what a massive pump. Started from 120 and TRB got to 629 and experienced a massive sharp down to 121. Wow. So all you just need to do, stick around your coin that you're holding. There will be a massive pump by the special grace, and experience cashing out quickly. Okay, as you experience pumping, try to cash out. Okay, because if you don't cash out, you can see what happens in TRP can as well happen in any other coin that you're holding. Okay, and this is an opportunity for you again that have not joined the market to join the market. But the market is going to experience a neutral movement, and after the neutral movement there will be another pump that will be greater than 629. Believe me, that will be greater than this 629. So all you just need to do, quickly join now and start catching out. Okay, you can see, and you can see how far it has gone, 1.2 billion. Imagine, and has dropped sharply to 129.21. Wow. So if you are lucky enough, you would have joined. A lot of people have joined from this $121, which they are still already in profit now because it's in 195 currently. Okay, so join the crypto world now and experience a massive pump. Okay, so enjoy cashing out. Take care and see you in my next video. Bye.